Hi planner people, it's me again. I know you're getting sick of me unboxing Gillios, so I'm gonna make this one kind of quick and try not to chatter so much. So this is another Muppet, and if you don't know what the Muppets are, check out Gillio's website or go see my last video. Opening. Oh my gosh. Oh, I really like this. Oh my gosh. Oh, this color is such a rich brown. I just love it. Oh my God. Let's see the inside. Come on, pen. Somebody put the pen in. Look. I've never seen that. Somebody put the pen in right side up. Have you ever seen that in a Gillio? Oh my gosh. Ugh. There it goes. Usually they come upside down, so. Oh, that's right, I forgot. The A6s have ring protectors. So I forgot about that. I usually take them out, but oh my gosh, it really stuck in there. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's inspect it. I usually just, when I'm inspecting, so to speak, I basically just open it. If nothing catches my eye, I figure this is good, And truly, I open it up, I don't see anything that I would reject this for. This is freaking gorgeous. Man, I feel like I stole from Gillio right now, honestly. I mean, look at that baby. Whew. She purty. Okay, well, I promised you I wouldn't gab, so I'm going to do one more look-see. I'm going to bring it up close, so maybe you can get this. This is the Rolf. So, A6 Compagna and Rolf. I give it a thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. See you next time, planner people.